Kea e ho'okipa mai. Aloha, good afternoon. Welcome, everyone. Nice to have you with us at Hawaiian Airlines Pau Hana Friday. Pau Hana Friday occurs on the first Friday of every month in appreciation for your loyalty as Pualani Elite and Premier Club members. And so this month, we would like to welcome our partners. First, Kupaoa. They'll be performing for you today, and we're very excited about that. And secondly, our food partners, Elena's and Island Princess. So please, right now, we'd like to invite you to sit back and relax. And we hope you unwind with us today as we kick off our Pau Hana Friday. Welcome, everybody.
Aloha! Happy Friday to you all. We call ourselves Kupaoa.